In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in WordPress. If you want your paragraphs to look cleaner and more evenly aligned on both the left and right sides, justifying text can help create that polished layout. This is especially useful for certain page designs, formal content, or sections where you want a more structured appearance. In WordPress, this can be done directly from the editor in just a few clicks. To begin, go to your site editor in WordPress. This is where you can manage and customize the content and layout of your site. Once you're inside the editor, open the page, templater section where the text you want to format is located. Make sure you're in the editing view so you can interact with the text block directly. Next, click on the text you want to adjust, or highlight the specific portion of text if you only want to justify part of it. This step is important because WordPress formatting tools usually apply to the currently selected block or highlighted content. If nothing is selected, the alignment option may not affect the text you intend to change. After selecting the text, look for the downward arrow in the text formatting toolbar. Click that arrow to open the drop-down menu. In WordPress, some formatting options are tucked into this menu to keep the toolbar simple. So if you don't immediately see the alignment option you need, this drop-down is where you'll usually find additional controls. Once the menu opens, click on Justify. As soon as you do that, your text will be aligned evenly across both margins. You should see the paragraph adjust right away in the editor. This can make blocks of text appear neater, though it's always a good idea to preview the result and make sure it still feels readable, especially on smaller screens. And that's all it takes to justify text in WordPress. Go to the site editor, select or highlight your text, open the drop-down using the downward arrow, and choose Justify. If you're working on multiple text sections, you can repeat the same process wherever needed. This is a quick formatting change, but it can make a noticeable difference in the overall presentation of your content.